Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Mazak Quick Turn 300. This machine comes with a Mazak Fusion 640 T-Control. It has a 10-inch 3-jaw hydraulic chuck, a hydraulic programmable tailstock with power quill, chip conveyor, tool presetter, automated lubrication system, coolant system. As usual, I will list all the specs in the description below. Let's take a look at this machine. Well, there you all have it, the Mazak Quick Turn 300. If you have any more questions at all, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600 or jump over to our website, www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.